A lioness had been surrounded from all sides by a pack of wild hunting dogs. She understood how dangerous the situation was, so fear kept her almost frozen to the ground. The hunting dogs circled around her restlessly, growing more aggressive with every passing second. Finally, one brave dog launched the first attack. Whenever the lioness tried to fight back, the rest of the pack took advantage and rushed in from different directions. There is a saying in the wild, no matter how strong you are, one alone cannot always defeat an organized pack. Even a lioness could not handle the entire group by herself. The moment she found an opening, she escaped and luckily climbed a tree, a skill that ultimately saved her life. This story comes from the western Liuwa plains of Zambia, where wild hunting dogs are considered some of the top predators of the grasslands. They are known as highly organized hunters, living under strict social rules that keep the pack united and disciplined. This particular pack had 12 members. The queen of the pack, Zella, had 2 puppies that were only a few weeks old. Because they were the queen's offspring, the pups held a very high status within the group. But the entire family was facing a difficult test. That year, the drought was severe and the rains were arriving late. As night fell, the entire pack went out in search of prey, but the plains were silent. By morning, they returned empty-handed. Despite hunting all night, they had found nothing. Days continued to pass and there were still no signs of rain. Zella realized that if they kept waiting, survival would become impossible. So she decided to take a huge risk and travel farther in search of food. She left one member behind to guard the pups at the den while the rest followed her into the wilderness. After hours of traveling, they reached lands far from their territory. They spotted several wildebeests, but those were powerful adult males. Hunting them would waste too much energy, so the pack kept moving forward. By midday, the heat became unbearable, forcing them to stop and rest. Hunger and thirst made the long journey even more exhausting. While the others rested, Zella continued moving alone. As the queen, the responsibility on her shoulders was greater than anyone else's. After a long struggle, she finally discovered a migrating herd of wildebeests with a few newborn calves among them. But hunting alone was nearly impossible. She needed a weaker target. Her sudden appearance caused panic in the herd, yet the scorching afternoon heat made things even harder. After a short chase, her breathing became heavy and she had no choice but to rest. When night finally arrived, the rested pack reunited with Zella. Nighttime was the perfect moment for a hunt. Carefully, they selected their target and soon the chase began. This time, the hunt was successful. As the queen, Zella earned the right to eat first, while the other pack members waited patiently for their turn. Back at the den, her 2 pups were still waiting for their mother's return. The pack member guarding them watched carefully and never allowed them to wander away. Meanwhile, Zella and the pack started their long journey home. But during the hunt, one member had been injured, slowing the group down significantly. After 3 difficult days, they finally returned to the den. This time, Zella brought enough food and nourishment for her children. Soon afterward, the rainy season finally arrived. The dry land turned green once again, and the family of hunting dogs slowly recovered from the harsh struggle they had endured. For more thrilling wildlife stories like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Zero Wild.